Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you two quick summer drinks which are very easy to make. You don't need to use any blender. You can make these easy cold drinks within short time. Let's get started. Let's make orange mojito. Let's check out the ingredients. We need soda water, a few mint leaves, 3 to 4 lemon pieces, fresh orange pieces, crushed ice, powdered sugar, fresh orange juice, or you can use store-bought orange juice. Here I am adding few lemon pieces, 4 to 5 mint leaves, some orange pulp, add 2 teaspoons of powdered sugar. You can use regular sugar also. Crush it a bit for the flavor to release. Add some crushed ice. I'm adding fresh orange juice, or you can use store-bought orange juice also. Add some soda water. Mix it thoroughly. Orange mojito is ready. Let's make watermelon mojito. Ingredients are powdered sugar, lemon pieces, mint leaves, a pinch of salt, soda water, fresh watermelon juice, crushed ice, a few watermelon pieces. Add 3 to 4 lemon pieces and a few mint leaves. I'm adding a few pieces of watermelon, a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor, 2 teaspoons of powdered sugar, crush it a bit. You will get a nice aroma of mint, lemon and watermelon. It's very refreshing. Here I am adding fresh watermelon juice, adding some crushed ice and some soda water, also called sparkling water. Mix well, decorate with a piece of watermelon and enjoy. Try these mojitos. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe. Happy cooking.